So let's start off with your childhood. I know that you've been a child artist. I think it was Hamare Dil Aapke Paas Hai.
Hamare Dil. Yes, I had a mustache in the film. You might not recognize me.
Okay. Yeah. How old were you and how did that opportunity come along?
I don't really remember, but we shot the film in Hyderabad. It was a remake of Pelli Cheskundam. Because my dad was working on the film. He was the EP on the film, and they were looking for a girl, so they thought, I matched Aishwarya Rai's younger sister, which is a compliment.
Yeah, definitely.
But I look like a little boy.
Okay.
I was really young then.
But you never had any dream of, becoming a heroine, getting into films?
I'm not very sure. I think it was subconsciously there.
Okay.
But I finished college. I studied economics, and during college I was dancing. I was working for Terence Lewis Contemporary Dance Company, and they were looking for a dancer for a commercial. So Yahoo was my first ad, and they came to our studio. They said we want to audition quite a few dancers, and I got selected.
Okay.
And that job paid me 75,000 rupees in college. I said,
Whoa.
oh my god, this is what I want to do. No, jokes apart, it's not solely for the money, but that's how the modeling started, and I got a little interested then, and I said, I think this is something I want to try. So I did lots of workshops, acting workshops, voice workshops, everything. Yeah, I still do them.
Okay.
So because I think I need them. I think training is important, and that's how it started. That's how it pretty much started.
Okay. So from being a model then to commercials and then to movies, how has the transition been for you? Was it smooth or did you have some rough patches anywhere?
It was smooth in the sense, I think 9 months of doing TV commercials and music videos, I got my first film.
Okay.
So I think I'm really, really, I have luck on my side, because 9 months of just being in the industry and getting a film is a big thing.
Yeah.
And that too a good film, good maker. Vineet Srinivas, an excellent filmmaker. Really nice to work with. Jomon, cinematographer. So beautiful team. Niven Pauly and Aju and all the actors and technicians of that film were lovely. So just to have that opportunity so early on, and I didn't even know. Never in my dreams did I think that I would end up in Malayalam. You know what I mean? I had no connection with South India, except I had friends in Bombay. Bombay, as you know, is a Bhelpuri.
Yeah. Mix of everything.
Yeah, mix of everything. You have friends from all backgrounds, which is the beauty of that city. So I had no idea, and it just happened. So I go with the flow, and it's working.
Now that you've brought up Niven Pauly, it's like Niven Pauly has become the sensation of the town,
After
so to say. Yes, I should say that. And Thattathin Mariyathu, the first look when people saw you, they went like, wow, who is this girl? You had an amazing on-screen presence.
I remember I was shooting an ad in Bangkok. I was doing an ad for Pakistan in Bangkok. And somebody, my dad, I think he called, director, Vineet, I think he told me that, we put stuff on YouTube and you can see it. So it was my first film. So I logged on to a computer in the lobby in Bangkok of my hotel, and I went and I said, okay, let me YouTube this. I don't know how this works. And I went and I saw this thing, and I said, oh, this is how the result is later.
Okay.
So
even you went, wow.
When you shoot a film, and especially when it's your first film, they shoot the climax first, then they shoot something else. You don't know how it's all going to come together. And I remember when I was doing Thattathin, I didn't even know sometimes that we were doing song portions.
Okay.
We were doing simple montage, like he would quickly, we have half an hour left, light is going, quickly just, we'll do a quick small sequence, like a montage, and then he fitted the song, the sequence in the song.
Okay.
So when it all came together, I said, oh, this goes here, that goes, it was like a complete jigsaw puzzle for me. That I saw. So I said, okay, this feels good for sure. Because in that baking heat of Talsheri when you're shooting, you do not think you're going to look nice on camera, because you're like sweating before the shot,
But
so
I think the audience can vouch for the fact that you were looking amazing, just gorgeous.
Really
not just the guys, even the girls felt the same. So
the girls actually started wearing tattam, which is quite impressive. I started wearing it. I started wearing it. I've been wearing like Indian clothes a lot more after that film, because I feel like I don't know. It's just I like wearing Indian clothes now, so I think that
it looks damn pretty on you. So you should just continue doing that.